Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to use my Pit Boss Lexington over there. It's warming up to 225. Today I'm going to do a, you don't need to see another brisket video, but this one's going to be a little different. This one, I usually never buy the pre-seasoned briskets from the store. It's on sale, 18 bucks. As soon as that gets to 225, I'm going to throw it in there. Then I'm going to show you what we're going to try. Never done it before, but we're going to try it. And if it works, this is going to be a sensation. I guarantee it. So, anyway, if this works, everybody will want to give it a try. Let me go. I'm going to just go unpackage this while that's heating up, and then we'll get it in the smoker, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, I couldn't resist. I went ahead and put some Meat Church Holy Cow on there. I just didn't know what the manager put on that brisket, so I'm up to 225. I'm going to go get this in there, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so here's my idea. A lot of people complain about not getting that real wood flavor on a pellet grill, you know, but if you use good pellets, you usually get some pretty good smoke. So I was thinking, you know, like, how can we get charcoal into our meat? And then I thought, well, I've got a smoke tube. What if we put the charcoal in the smoke tube? Right? Of course, you know, the pieces are too big. I've got my old ManKitchen mallet. I had to use it to do some flooring, but I'm thinking that if I just bust this up a little bit, that it'll fit in there pretty good. Or if you're at the bottom of your bag of your lump charcoal, you could use those pieces, right? Okay, that might be small enough chunks, right? Maybe. And then, you know, my brother, he lives in California, and he has some pecan trees. So I had him send me some shells. So I'm also going to add some crushed pecan shells in the mix and get that extra smoky flavor. All right, so let's mix that up a little bit. Let's see if it fits in my smoker tube. Gotta get this thing lit up now. Okay, got my torch. We can't get this lit up. Okay, so this may or may not work. So here's my smoker tube. I ended up lighting it down at the bottom to see if it'll help it stay lit better. The top is lit. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't even have it in there, but the top is lit. So between the two, we should be good. So I am going to lay this in here and hope that it stays lit. Let's see. So I could have picked it up differently, but yeah. Okay, looks like that back end is smoking pretty good. So I'll keep an eye on this, make sure it stays lit, and we'll go from here. So I'm about 2 hours in, and about every 30 minutes I come out to check my smoke tube. You see, it is still lit. And I'll stand it up on the ground and I'll tap it. Of course, you know, use some gloves, but it's down to here right now. And you can see it worked better from lighting it at the bottom. See all the coals? Okay. I just set it back in there. I just got to check on it. First time doing it, so looks like it's doing good. All right, my brisket is at a stall at 153 degrees. I came out here and checked my smoke tube, and it lasted. It should be empty. Let's see. Yeah. It's out, but it's almost empty, so it lasted about 3.5 hours. I guess I can leave this out. I'm gonna get this wrapped up in foil, and we'll let it go till it gets to probe tender, and we'll slice it up and do a taste test. So I'll be back. Okay, there we go, all wrapped up. I'm gonna turn this bit up to 250. So I ran it at 225 for just under 5 hours, and now we're going to let this go up to temp. And yeah, I'll see you later. All right, I've had that brisket resting in that ice chest for a little over an hour, so let's take it out of there and cut it up and see how we did. All right, there it is. There's all the juices from it. Let's cut this bad boy open and see what we got. All right, I think I'm just going to cut it right here to start. Cuts nice. All right, look at that. All right, we got a pretty good smoke ring on there. But, you know, I mean, we use that smoker tube, put some charcoal in it, put some pecan shells in it. So we got to give this a taste. We got to see if we can taste any of that real smoke. Okay, look at that. Not too bad. Look at that. All right. Smells amazing. Let's get a taste of this. There it is, sliced up. Man, it does have a pretty good smoke ring on it, doesn't it? All right, let's give it a try. All right, there we go. Look at that. It's not too bad of a smoke ring, right? Let's see how it tastes. Tell you what, you gotta love brisket. It's so good. As far as that charcoal flavor taste and the pecan, I can actually taste a little more smoke than I normally would just from the pellet grill. I'm not exaggerating either. Pretty darn tasty. Okay, well, you know, that little tiny piece of meat was on sale. Had to grab it. Had to do this experiment with the smoke tube. That smoke tube lasted, it was either 3.5 or 4 hours. It lasted quite a while, but I did go out there every 30 minutes and check it, kind of tamp it down because I didn't have it, you know, it was chunks. It wasn't packed in there. So I'd tap it down, blow on the coal, still nice and hot, putting off smoke. Kept it in there. Did a good job. I think I will definitely be doing that again. All right, well, I'd say that experiment was a success. I'm gonna go eat me some more brisket. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.